How to fix low call volume on iPhone? Here are several easy ways to fix it. First, make sure your call volume is turned all the way up. While you're on a phone call, press the volume up button on the side of your iPhone. You can also open Control Center and make sure the volume slider is set to the maximum. Next, check your call audio routing settings. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, then select Touch. Scroll down and tap Call Audio Routing. For most users, Automatic is the recommended option. However, if your iPhone is trying to route calls to a Bluetooth device, you can temporarily switch it to speaker and test whether your call volume improves. If you're already on a call, tap the speaker button to enable speaker mode. This can make conversations much louder and easier to hear. Another common cause is a dirty earpiece speaker. The small speaker at the top of your iPhone can collect dust, lint, and debris over time, reducing call volume. Carefully clean the earpiece using a soft, dry brush or a cotton swab. Avoid inserting sharp objects or using liquids, as they can damage the speaker. If you use Bluetooth headphones or speakers, make sure your iPhone isn't still connected to them. You can turn off Bluetooth from Control Center or Settings to test the built-in speaker. Finally, restart your iPhone and make sure you're running the latest version of iOS by going to Settings again, tap on General, then tap on Software Update. And that's it. Those are the best ways to fix low call volume on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.